Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple YouTube videos from your phone. So let's start. First, open a browser and go to YouTube Studio. Now, on the left hand side you'll see many icons. Tap on the second one and you'll see all of your videos here. Now mark the checkboxes of the videos you want to delete. Now tap on More Actions and tap Delete Forever. Now mark the checkbox and tap Delete Forever again. And your selected videos will be deleted within a few moments. And that's how you can delete multiple YouTube videos from your channel. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.